Hello everyone and welcome to another video here. This time this is an accessibility video and we're going to be unboxing today the Victor Reader Stream. So this is an accessible device. This is an audiobook Daisy player for the blind or visually impaired, and sometimes these are even marketed out to people with dyslexia. This is just like the typical NLS player that you would borrow from your talking book library, but with much more features. And I just got this in today, so we're going to be unboxing this Victor Reader Stream. So there's not a lot of videos, unboxing videos on the Victor Reader Stream, so we're going to just take a look right here. Make sure we got it in camera range. Yes, we do. And we're going to have a look here. So anyway, this is I said it's a Daisy audio talking book player. So see, you can see right there, some specs right there, and what you get in the box. So without further ado, this video, hopefully I don't make it too long. We're going to open it up, and there's not a whole lot that you get in the box. First on top, as you can see, we get a quick start guide. This is the Victor Reader by Humanware. You get a quick start guide, which personally to me, I can say honestly right now is not too accessible, only because it's very small print. So if this device is marketed to blind and visually impaired people, this small print is not too accessible. And there probably, I would honestly say, in my opinion, there should have been a Braille version too. You know. So anyway, you got quick start guides here to kind of get you going. We have that there. So now we have the device here, and yes, we get a nice little silicone case right there, just like a phone. And over here on this side we get, I don't know what we get here. We get a plug. I think it's a plug adapter. Let's see what we get here. Okay, yes, we get a plug adapter right here. So I would imagine this probably has different plug adapters. Let's take a look here. So we do have, this is the charging brick or wall wart that you get with this thing. We need to get that. And it goes in like that. It's quite a bit. So yeah, here it is. And it just take different chargers. So I guess depending on what country you're in, this humanware will provide the appropriate adapter. So I kind of thought you would get multiple ones, you know, in case if you were to travel with this thing, but I guess not. Maybe you can order them from humanware. But so this is the charging brick right there, and this is the little, so since we're in United States, North America, Canada, Mexico, all use the same electrical plug. At least I would. Yeah, I think they do. And it just pops right in like this, slides right in. That's it. So since this is the United States, I don't ever find myself having to take this off. Like I say, unless if I was to ever travel with this thing to Europe or somewhere, then I would probably have to find the adapter, order it from humanware, or just buy one of those converter things. Anyway, I don't think I'll be traveling to Europe anytime soon. So then next we have the device itself right here. We'll put this side right there. We'll take a look at it and see what else is in the box. We have a USB cable. Actually, these are earbuds. Okay, we do have earbuds right here in the packaging. Let's open these up. Okay. And these packages are a little bit difficult to open. Just heard something. Thunder outside or what? Okay, well it's a zip thing. It's supposed to open. I don't know. Let's see. Not, I'll just tear it open. Okay. Okay, you know what? It's supposed to be like a Ziploc, but it doesn't want to open. Okay, there we go. So we did get it open. So now I'll just rip the damn thing open. That's what I'll do. It's gonna open the easy way or the hard way. Take your pick. So yeah, we got earbuds. They feel kind of cheap. I won't be using these. I'll be buying my own. I don't like these hard earbud things. I hate those. They hurt my ears. But they do give you free earbuds. They don't feel very good quality, but I guess if you want to just start using earbuds, they just give you something to start with. We'll see how good they sound. But like I say, I already don't like the way they feel, so I'll be using my own earbuds. You get this little packaging thing. Do not eat, of course. And I think they even tell you on there. Do not eat. They always put that on there. Well, I would never think of this as some kind of snack or something, but I don't know. I guess just for liability purposes, they have to put this in there. Don't eat it. Don't give it to your dog. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. We have more cables. Okay. We have 2 cables here and another short cable. We have a short cable and we have a long cable. And we don't have anything else in the box. That's about it. That's the box right there. So we'll put that into the side right there because we don't have anything else. Okay, so we have a short cable which looks like an extension cable. And I would assume that I know what this is for. This is supposed to be for like, let's see. This is supposed to be for, say if you have a thumb drive, because this will also accept thumb drives, and you plug it into the USB, and you can get your books, your e-books, your talking books, your Daisy books from a thumb drive if you're using that. Also, one thing to note, and I wish I could show this on a video. I might be able to show this on a video. Except that I might have to leave, but I'll show this in another video. But you can also you may be able to use this for NLS cartridges. So if you are signed up with the your local talking book program, the NLS, which is through your local state library, every state has one, and you receive those cartridges, you can probably just plug this in and get your books off cartridges. So that's what that's for. It's for removable media. And then this is your typical charging cable. It's micro USB. I'm thinking it's micro USB. And yes, it is. I wish it had been USB-C, but it's okay. And you got your regular USB here. And this is your charging cable and also your data cable if you need to transfer files to your computer or from your computer. So that's all you get in the box with the Victor Reader Stream. This is the latest generation. I think it's the second generation, second gen? Yeah. I think so, because the first gen was silver. So that's all you get in the box right there. You get this, they give you a nice silicone case. You can order better quality cases than this from Humanware. They have one called the Executive Case or something like that. And then you get your quick start guide. So we have the device here. Let's open it up. Let's take a look at it. Also wrapped in its plastic. Brand new. Look at that. So I've been waiting for this for a while. We'll just take a look on the back. On the back here, it has a rechargeable battery. So battery just pulls on out like this. It's got a clip. I don't want to break it. It should have a clip that just pulls up. From what I've seen in videos. Something like that. Okay, looks kind of hard. I don't know if you have to give it a tug or give it a pull. Kind of hard to come off. Or are you supposed to pull it up? I am not too sure how this thing goes. Okay, well, I'm not going to fiddle around with it too much. Okay, well, I'm not going to mess around with it too much. I can't really get it up. It's probably just very hard. But I've seen other videos where it just lifts right off and it clicks. This is the battery compartment. It's almost, basically, it's a rechargeable battery, almost like a cell phone. And then we'll go on off to the front right here. You have your buttons. So, this is it right here, Victor Reader Stream. So you have your typical, sorry for moving the camera. I think you have your, this is like an info button or something like that. You have, this is your Wi-Fi button, and it's also for your online bookshelf. This is a bookmark button. You have your typical keypad, which are multifunction keys. This is basically what you'll be using to operate the device. A sleep timer, play stop button, fast forward, rewind, and then off to the right, to the left side right here, you have a round button. That's your power, volume. These arrow buttons adjust more than just your volume. They'll adjust the pitch, they'll adjust the bass, the treble, so they're multifunctional depending on what mode you're in. And off to the right side here we have a record button, a line in, which can also be a microphone jack. We have that as well. And let's see, up to the bottom we have okay, so here we just have a micro USB. That's the charging cable. That's where you plug it in to charge or transfer data from a computer. On the top we have, right here, we have the micro SD card right here, micro SD. You have a headphone jack, and we have the speaker right here, and this is the micro SD with a SD card already inserted. So when you get the Victor Reader Stream, when you order it, it comes with an 8 gigabyte SD, as you can see right there. It comes with an 8 gigabyte. However, I will be replacing this with a 32 gigabyte because it takes up to 32 gigabytes. Okay. So let's go ahead and we'll bring this camera down just a bit right there. Let's bring that down just a little bit. Okay, let's bring it down a little more. Let's bring it all the way down as much as it can. You know what? Let's go down even more. We're going to go down, 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 down. There we go. So we can get a much closer look at it. So here it is. And to turn the power on, what we'll do is you press and hold until the green light goes on. Let it go.
Welcome to Victor Reader. Bookshelf. Notes. 0. Notes.
So you get your welcome message there, and a little indicator there. One thing to note, that when the Victor Reader Stream is on, it is not recommended that you remove the SD card while it's on, because you could corrupt the data if there's any on there. There's no data on this card right now because it's brand new, so I just opened it. And so we have our functions. This is our volume here. So
volume 15, volume 14.
Now if you press the button right here,
speed,
you'll adjust the speed, tone, volume,
speed, tone, volume, speed, tone, -1, volume,
see?
speed.
Also, this will adjust the speed. And when you have a book in there, you'll get more options to adjust the pitch and everything. And if you leave it alone for a while, it'll always default back to the volume. So what else do we have here? So we have key describer mode. Tells you, so if you press here, let's see. You don't have anything there.
Bookshelf. Internet radio. 1. Playlist. 1. Humanware playlist.
So, and then we can scroll up and down. These are so this is kind of almost like a D-pad right here on the Victor Reader Stream. I'm learning how to use this myself, but there's some stuff that I know. You'll notice that there's a number keypad here, just like on a phone. You'll notice that the 2, 4, 6, and 8 are orange. These are almost like your navigational directional buttons, or for all you gamers, it's like a D-pad. And that helps you navigate up and down through menu options, through different choices right here. So let's see if we can do that now. Okay, there's nothing to navigate through here.
Search on uTunes. 1. Humanware playlist. Search on uTunes. 1. Humanware playlist.
Okay, so if I wanted to do that, and obviously this is probably your confirm key down here. This is your 9 key. That's usually your confirm.
1. Radio BBC World.
Okay, so if we wanted to listen to that.
No wireless connection configured. Enter the wireless menu to configure a connection.
So right now I have
Radio BBC World.
So if I want to get out of that, I just simply hit cancel.
Humanware playlist.
And we're back out.
No wireless connection configured. Enter the wireless menu to configure a connection. 1. Radio.
So yeah, this is just a simple functionality of the Victor Reader Stream audio player. So And then to turn it off, you simply just turn it off. You hit the power button, you hold it down till the green light goes out. You'll hear a beep and the green light goes out. And it goes off. And that's it. So there you go, folks. There you are. So this is a quick quick video here on the Victor Reader Stream, and just a very brief introduction. Like I said, this is the latest generation, and this is pretty much all you get in the box right there. All right, so yeah, this is like I said, this is by Humanware. So if you're blind or low vision, and you're looking for a good Daisy book player to play your audiobooks and internet radios and stuff like that, this is a good player for you. It's the Victor Reader Stream. All right, folks, so that's about it with this video, and I will definitely be doing more videos on the Victor Reader Stream. There are quite a few videos on there, but not very many. There's not very many unboxings, so that's why I figured I would do an unboxing video on this device right here. So anyway, folks, hopefully if you like this video, give it a like, and yeah. This will also be on a playlist called... I do have a playlist, by the way. If you want to know more about this device, I do have a playlist. If you go through my channel, I think it's called Daisy Audio for the Blind or something like that. I don't remember what I named it, but I think it's called Daisy Audio or something like that. You'll see it, and it has a lot of videos, even some training videos that tell you a lot about the Victor Reader Stream. So you can go to that playlist, and of course I'll be, as I go along, I'll be doing more videos on this device as well, because there's a lot to cover on this thing. All right, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and for all my blind and visually impaired viewers, yeah, you can find out also more information at Humanware about this device. So I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. See y'all in the next one. All right.